UMLA jong geseng BJP na South Shillong ubading menteri jong sarkar senrop ubak Sanbor Shulai ulapan pauye ke jeng sultanat halor ke jeng terwa mat garai jong geseng New Trap National Liberation Council benwani karen syakami jong je karen yasuk bat ke sarkar jela bat ke sarkar India haba karen hakilat pathai kubor manta kesengi ubak Sanbor Shulai ulaong bakalong ke badai ban kemen bagi kenuhun king atiar ki kwa ban imlang ha ke imlang ka salang bat ke sarkar ke diban pediang klembu kendon pensngo UTU MLA ke BJP nalaban ka jingwan bani karan sngothu syakami jong jinya karnya sok kadi kelenti ke babaro ke diban ai ke jingkersyan bat kende ke sinjam ya ke sarkar bat ke syongpat ha ke jing start jong menteri rangba ke sarkar jela Konrad Kongkal Sangma ban le ik badan kam bat ka jing sungu kale chakinong ilam jong ki balang bapher ki bakwa ban long ki ksyang na ka banta ke sengking atiar banwan ra sya ke jinya karnya sok penkut ubak Sanbor Shulai.
This issue regarding this underground outfit or the insurgency, as a leader, as a social and political leader, we are very much concerned. This is a long expectation, aspiration to us as a leaders that this negotiation should end up as early as possible. So based on the statement that we have seen yesterday and today, that the HNLC and other outfit they have given a green signal that they are voluntarily coming back to the mainstream. They have given result to have a positive talk. They have given a positive response to have a positive talk in a negotiation table.